Let's unbox some shoes. Hey, Soul Sisters, I hope you're all doing well. So, I bought a new pair of shoes and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. But I thought let's make things a little bit more formal and start a new series called Soul Sistered. I'm joking. Soul Sisters. And this is where we will be talking all things luxury, but make it shoes. Okay? Okay. Now and then, we may throw in a pair of shoes from a high street brand or premium high street brand because round here, we don't discriminate. Diversity. Okay? But as you can see from my little exhibition, we love luxury around here, especially when it comes to footwear. So during this time of the year, we see a lot of sales, we see a lot of reduced prices in bags, shoes, clothing, etc. And it is a great time or a great opportunity as a consumer to pick up your favorite pieces, whether it be on your wish list, your archive, or whatever the case may be. I have been on the hunt for a pair of shoes like this for quite some time because I noticed I didn't have anything like this in my wardrobe. As well as that, this is one of my favorite colors, and it's a color that I tapped into a lot in 2025. So when I saw that these shoes were on sale from a brand that I've never purchased from before, I said, let me give it a go. So without further delay, let's clip this mic on the tie and unbox the shoes. As you can see from the signature pattern, I made this purchase from Mytheresa. With love, Mytheresa. And I love purchasing from Mytheresa because when it comes to the brands that they stock, they have a variety, and also they're typically the brands that I love anyway, so it's a win-win. It's a win-win. I also love their packaging. So even though you have brands that give you, a choice of eco-friendly or the signature packaging, with their eco-friendly packaging, it still gives. So here's my envelope, which contains my receipt. Luxury is the ease of a t-shirt in a very expensive dress. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying with the aesthetics. I'm trying. Are we doing ASMR? It's the shoe, Soul Sisters. So these are the Paris, Texas Ibano pumps. It's my first purchase from Paris, Texas. Absolutely love these. I've had my eye on this brand for quite some time now. And back in 2024, I absolutely loved their boots collection. But thick calves, luxury boots, it's like oil in water. Thick calves, any boots, like oil in water. Back to these. Absolutely love them. They are so gorgeous. I love the suede brown. I love the dark tone brown. It's giving chocolate. No, I'm joking. No, I'm not. It's giving chocolate for real. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love the heel height. It's perfect. Very, very thin. So I am going to be needing a little bit of practice in these. Now, I picked these up in a 39 and a half. I will do a little zoom for you guys. Now, I cannot wait to style these. I would try them on for you guys, but my foot them dry. Be sure to stay tuned, come back here, follow for more, especially if you want to see how I style these babies. I love a pump because the shape and style is very versatile. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I mentioned already that they were on sale. Who wants to buy full price? A bit more detail, it has the elastic on the side, and I'm glad it's on the inside rather than outside. Sole of the shoe is actually brown. Perfection. And of course it says Paris, Texas in here, which will fade over time, but it's okay. As long as they're comfortable, that's all that matters. Soul Sisters, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Be sure to come back, especially if you want to see how I style them, which means it will make sense if you click that follow button. Comment down below, let me know what you think of them, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed this boxing. Boxing? God, why can't I do this?